Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty will move, what strategy we need to apply, what we can expect from the market. Friends, on Monday we have seen a very big gap down, and with the big gap down, like there was a flush and it was completely a V reversal. Everything was taken out. Nearly 400 points was a rally on Monday, and it was a fantastic rally. And you've noticed like the buyers are looking very much aggressive to lift each and every bid. So if you look into Monday's market, like as soon as the market came for the selling, this was a subtlest clue for us. Like you can see here, someone was providing liquidity. That means like this is not an algorithms who are providing the liquidity. There's a real player who was providing the liquidity, and the market drifted a little bit lower. And last bit of a selling came, and the market has bounced to the higher levels. As you can notice, like this was a volatile candle which took out everything. So this was a very good indication. Like you would have put your stop loss here, and you would have traded the market, and you would have captured nearly 300 points of a big move. So net to net, you can notice like very good amount of a selling which took place, very good amount of a buying has taken place in the market, and little bit of selling was coming, but this was completely from the algorithms, not from the big player. You can notice like the delta was kept on increasing, and finally this was an exhaustion candle. So this was an exhaustion candle. Like you can notice, suddenly the volume has picked like 50, 50, 60, 50, and straight away 70,000. Like this is an exhaustion candle. We would have taken our profits, and we would have booked our profits, and the entire day it was like on a sideways and consolidation mode. Well, what we can expect from the market for tomorrow? So net to net, if you notice here, like a good amount of a buying has taken place in the market. That means the buyer has lifted each and every bid. So we'll be looking to buy only the market. We won't be looking to sell the market. So if the market opens flat, if the Nifty opens flat, and if it crosses 16,890 or 16,860, I would say, if the market crosses 16,860, 860, we'll put a 16,800 stop, and we'll look to buy the market, and first target should be like 17,000, and next target will be like 17,100. We won't be looking to sell the market because the market is looking bullish for me. Even if you see a big gap down as well, like we'll be looking to buy the market, but purely we have to see the price action, and then only we have to buy the market. As you can notice, like Nifty was very much aggressive and the Bank Nifty was looking weak because of the HDFC Bank. Like you've noticed here, like 2% of an HDFC Bank fall and 2% fall in AU Bank. Like still I'm on 2% fall in Axis Bank. Like, and there is a little bit of a negative sentiment still there in the banks. So once if the 16,860 crosses, we'll put the 16,000 stop loss, and we'll book up until 17,000. Like we'll trade up until 17,000. If the first target crosses, and if the price holds above 17,000, we'll be looking to target up until 17,100. On the downside, I won't be saying you to sell the market, because the market has to cross 16,500 decisively, then only we'll be looking to sell the market. But if you see a very big gap down, again we'll be having a rally on the higher side. Well, let's go into the Bank Nifty chart and see what the Bank Nifty has done on Monday. Bank Nifty was completely a little bit confusing, so that is why like we had two stops in the morning. So later like we made a very good amount of a profit. So first thing, if you notice here, there was a volatile candle, and there was a single prints in the market. That means there is a seller in the market. So this was a subtlest clue and early clue for me. Like there is a seller in the market, and the seller wants to sell the market very aggressively. And if you notice, like there is a single prints even here and here. That means the seller was dominating. But here I've noticed like a little bit of a buying was coming. This wasn't algorithmic buying. This is a real buying which was coming. And later I've realized here that the second time the buying is coming here. That means I've realized like there is a buyer in the market. It came for in the search of a liquidity. So if you notice, like there was a little bit of a liquidity here. We had one stop because I said you to buy here, somewhere here, and we triggered our first stop loss. And later I said you to buy again the same, like 540 somewhere here, because again and again the price was testing here, but it came little bit lower levels and it gave a very good profit. I expected 800, but it went nearly about to 900. Was the call option premium went nearly to 900 rupees. So well, net to net, if you notice, like a good amount of a buying has taken place. You can notice here from negative delta to market has turned into a good amount of a positive delta. That means like buyer is much aggressive and he started to lift the market. But somewhere like after 2 o'clock, I've seen a little bit of a selling was coming in the market. You can notice like the delta was becoming a negative and negative and negative. And later again the buyer has stepped in and he started to lift the bids somewhere here. Again, a little bit of selling was coming, and net to net, like no selling and no buying was taken place in the market, but still the buyer has lifted the price at a higher levels. Let's go into the structural format and see what we can expect from the market tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a little bit tricky. Like if the price opens flat and if it crosses 36,300 levels decisively, then we'll put this swing as a stop loss and we'll target up until 36,500. And next target should be like 36,800. If the market is opening flat and if it is coming down, we'll just avoid the market because we never know, at certain point it might take the support and it might bounce again at a higher levels. But if the price is coming at these levels and if it is doing certain volatility, you can play up until small bounces, incremental bounce in this range. Well, we'll see like where it will open tomorrow. I'm sure like the market is going to go at a higher levels, but thing is like the global sentiment, there is too much of uncertainty, and banking stocks are looking little bit weak. So we have to wait for the price action. Let the price hold about 36,300. Then we'll be looking to buy the market and we'll target up until 36,500. I'm making a just quick video as it has been too late. I was out of station like I came today. So I thought let me make a quick video. So I'll be making more elaborate video from tomorrow. I hope you like my video. If so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much.